Hello, good morning, all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will learn story of the clever mouse. Yesterday on our Zoom call we have finished our reading part of this lesson. Have you enjoyed yesterday's Zoom call? I hope you all have enjoyed. I could see that you all were happy. Your happy faces. I observed that happy faces and you loved that. There were interaction. You can see faces of your friends also. You can interact with me. Okay. So we will next time we will definitely interact with each other, but in recapitulation session. Okay. Now let's see the story. What is the story about? The story is about cat and mouse. You know that cat and mouse always fight with each other. Cat always run after the mouse and mouse always want to make himself safe from cat. Okay. Now this story is also that kind story. But this one is something different type of story. So we will see what is there exactly in the story. Okay, now we will turn to our story. So let's begin our story. Okay, now see, I will show you some pictures and through pictures you can learn the story. Okay, now in our story there is a cat and a mouse. See, most of the time we see in the story of mouse, cat is definitely there. So here in our story also, cat is there and mouse is also there. On television, you must have seen the story of Tom and Jerry. In this story, they always fight with each other. You must have seen, and most of you love this cartoon show. Okay, now this story is also of mouse and cat. Okay, see, let's turn to our story. Here in this story, the name of our story is Clever Mouse. The clever mouse, the clever. Clever means able to understand and learn quickly. Okay, the mouse of our story is very clever. So let's begin our story. See, one day cat feels very hungry. She wants to eat something, but there were nothing to eat, and she saw a mouse hole. At that time, she sees a mouse hole, and she was thinking that how I get the mouse out from the hole so that I can eat it quickly. So she was thinking about the tricks how I can get the mouse out from the hole. Okay, she was thinking about the tricks, and that time she gets a very tasty roti. What she gets? A very tasty roti. And what she did with that, she puts that roti in front of the hole of mouse. And she hides behind the wall. Hides means does not let anyone see them. So she hides behind the wall and she put that roti in front of the hole of mouse. The mouse looks out of his hole. See the cat. She hides behind the wall, and the mouse looks out of his hole. He sees the roti. He sees the roti. He wants to eat it. Mouse wants to eat that roti. But he was also thinking. He was observing that there must be a trick. Means This can be a trick. Trick means an act to fool somebody. So he was thinking that it must be a trick. He calls out, "Oh, tasty roti, can I eat you?" See the clever mind of mouse. What he calls out? "Oh, tasty roti, can I eat you?" And that time the cat says, "Yes, you can eat me." Roti does not speak. Roti does not speak or does not talk. You must be the cat. Cat says or mouse says, "You must be a cat. Go away. I will not come out of my hole. You cannot eat me. You cannot eat me." A cat hears that words and she she was very angry because mouse is not ready to come out for the roti because he knows the trick of cat. And as the mouse said, "Go away," the cat feels very sad. The cat feels very sad and the cat goes away sadly from the house of mouse. Okay, so this way we have finished our story. So cat didn't get the lunch or dinner whatever she want to eat. Cat didn't get her food because mouse was not agree to come out for the roti. Okay, now this way we have finished our story. Okay, understood? Yes, tomorrow I will give you meanings of new words. Okay, goodbye all my dear students.